Hi, I'm Glenn Tabor, and I'm here in the new GAT3 mastering suite, the Opal Room. I wanted to give a quick update on the newest speaker and XLR interconnects that I recently received from Shunyata, the Sigma version 2s. My friends at Shunyata told me this wouldn't at all be a subtle upgrade, but I was a little skeptical. I decided to only connect one channel so that I could compare instantly without having to disconnect and reconnect cabling. I was stunned. So stunned, I wanted an unbiased opinion, so I brought in some people from our office who aren't audio professionals. One at a time, I had them listen to music, blindly switching between the cables. They immediately and instantly could hear a huge difference. Increased resolution, better dynamics, lifelike depth. I could hear so much deeper into the mixes. And so could the casual music listeners. I'm convinced there's not a better speaker cable made today, and it's made with unreal quality and passion by the folks at Shunyata. Do yourself a favor and listen to them as soon as you can.